Hello. Today uh, in this video I will show you how to install Kali Linux into your system. So it will be I will use VirtualBox to install Linux. Here your current operating system, on the top of the current operating system I will show you I install Kali Linux. So now to install Kali Linux you need to a pen drive. Okay, so you need to manage at least 8 GB pen drive, and this is my 32 GB pen drive, so that's it. So in so let's jump into my computer. Okay, hello. Here I will focusing on, at first you need to understand, and this is my Windows operating system, and here I will use VirtualBox. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox, and here you can just install it, get started, download options, and if your current operating system is Windows, then you just click these things, and if you are using Mac OS, then you can install from here. Okay, so we will always official website. Okay, and that's it. I have already installed VirtualBox, and here Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, I have already installed here. So, and now just I will install only Kali Linux. Okay, kali.org. Okay, just click download options, and here we will see a lot of options here. So we will just use Lifeboot, and next is this package. Okay, I just click it, and it is installing. Now I have completed to install Kali Linux, and next step we will focusing on basic commands and basic things about Linux operating system. So that's it. Okay, so wait for next videos.